midterm examination next week. Okay, that will be number 6. Okay, number 6. And then, make sure, before you attend next week, for you to have your midterm grade, okay, we will transfer, or we will reschedule the presentation sa finals. But, make sure that you will produce a hard copy of your actual research. Okay, dun sa huling grupo, sino ba yung mga yan? ID, bilang college. Through raising your hand. Sino po sila? May I know? Yan, yan, di ba? Parang ganyan sila buhay. Okay, anyway, so we have solo presentation. We have Mr. Vergara Parwan. Sino pa? Other groups. Identify your groups na yung mga hindi pa nakapag-present.
Nag-select na daw.
Okay, five on. Flight. Okay, next is 12.
XOXO.
Kaya siya, pag hindi na makakatanggap ng midterm grade. Ano po? Okay, silent no. Yun ba yung pinaligtad na pagpilias? Okay, and then, halatang pag-uwi. Talagang ginawa niya sa PE, nag-exam.
Midterm na siya.
Okay, pero parang pala tayo, okay, kagabi nag-host ng Zumba birthday party. Nakakawagod yun. Okay, sino ba? Yun lang, tatlo lang, okay? So yung isang grupo ay hindi na makakatanggap ng midterm grade.
XOXO po.
Ayun, XOXO. So apat lang. Does that include the group from the Stay and Learn na lahat ng group mates ay nando doon? Tama? So ibig sabihin tama apat. Yes.
Hindi na po pwede mag-person.
I would rather have my lesson today kasi mas importante yung next week yung midterm. So, ang gagawin na lang natin, hingin ko yung hard copy. No, next week, pakipasa na lang. So, ang gagawin nyo naman is kung ano yung nagawa yung PowerPoint presentation, since that's nasama rin na, ililipat nyo lang siya ng yung buong na sa hard copy. Para yun ang ilalagay ko sa midterm project. Tapos, may presentation nyo pa sa next term for finance project na yun. Okay? So, yung mga hindi pa nakapresent. Tapos, ang bibigyan ko na ng requirements for final term project ay yung mga nag-present na. Tapos, okay? So, nag-gets nyo? Since last time, hindi naman ako nagbigay ng requirement na mag-hard copy. Wala naman ako hiningi. Pero ngayon, ang mag-hard copy lang ay yung mga hindi makakapag-present na. Nag-gets ka ang announcement? Baka kasi magtanong na naman kayo sa akin sa GC. Ano lang, para uniform, yes, short bond paper, tapos aerial 12. Aerial 12 na naka-double space. Yun lang naman, wala naman ako iba na requirements. Bahala na kayo, again, short bond paper, aerial 12, double space. Okay? Klaro? For the 4 groups. Klaro mo? May questions? Before I proceed to the last part, actually, malapit lang yung last part. 2 parts to. So then, I'll be sending this to you, yung PowerPoint presentation na to, para magkaroon kayo ng review for your examination. Alright? So, without further much ado, I will be proceeding to my discussion. And what I am requesting is for you to at least pay attention into detail so that we will finish our discussion right away. Then you are good to go. That be okay or not? Or you want us to proceed? Still 4 p.m. Ayun, I understand, feeling ko yung kayo makapag-isip. Anyway, so, bawi na lang kayo next, term. Kung kayo man yung papagod, sabi ko naman sa inyo, huwag nyo ubusin ang lakas ninyo